we need to slow down a little bit. Let's see what we got.
There it is.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's gonna be a big, it's like a multi-vortex right here. We may have to stop right up here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, big tornado forming. Let's go past these trees. Wow, look at it. We're gonna stop. You wanna jump and take a peek? Boy, be careful. Photo van, where'd you guys go? You north? Or back east of us? Brad, I need you to turn the van further.
Okay.
Turn it hard right if you would, real fast for me.
Yep.
I mean, really hard right. Just pull all the way up in there if you can.
Hold on, let me back. Hold on.
No, just pull it. Just cut it hard to the right and go. Go as quick as we can turn. Go. Keep going, and turn your wipers off. Thank you. Oh my goodness, yeah. This may turn into a decent one here. Let's hope. Great. Look, there's a rotation in there. Wow. Now, can you hit your wipers again? I'm sorry, just leave them on one click if you would.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna have to get back east.
That's awesome.
Let's go east. Let's get back east. We gotta get in front of it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Load them up fast. We don't want to let this thing get away from us. That's what it's trying to do. Go.
Make sure everyone's here.
Oh, all these cars coming. Oh, we gotta beat them. Can we beat them? Can you cut it hard and go back around them?
No, I can't.
Go for it.
I can't.
All the chaser hordes.
It's not down anymore, I don't think.
Well, you don't know. There may be a multi-vortex in there.
Is there anyone coming?
I can't even see out, but the rearview mirror tilted way up high now.
I got it.
You got it?
This man.
All right. Let's go. Go fast, guys. Fast. That was cool. Come on, Storm. Let's see number 4. Oh, number 4 to be a big fat cone right there. Come on, you can do it there, big fella. You can do it.
Do it for Mama.
We can get right up. We can get right up underneath here.
Yeah. Yeah, now we're gonna get too far north.
There's a road up here to turn.
Oh yeah, getting slammed with RFD here. Strong RFD. We don't want to go any further than this. Oh boy, another one forming to the east. Right over there. Another one. Another tornado forming to the east is trying.